Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Sweat. We're back with another POV video, and today we're taking the M340 back to the dealership. It's nothing crazy, just gotta get some routine work done. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Oh, please don't scrape. Oh, please don't scrape. Oh, there we go. But yeah, y'all come along with me, enjoy this quick little ride to the dealership. We might even see what cars they have up there. I heard they might have an M5. I kind of want to see that, so we might check that out. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And fuck it, we ball. Thank you. Out of my way. Appreciate you. To the highway we go. Well, bro, what's up with all these red lights? Come on. Oh, man. Alright. So, we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I think currently we're at 1,906. So that means we need what? 994 subs. So, hey man, I'm trying to get these videos out as fast as possible, but also while keeping quality content, so y'all work with me on that one. But what y'all could do to support me in this little journey is to like the videos, of course. Come on now, all support is, you know, wanted. Subscribe, and just share a video, like, you know what I'm saying, push it out, show other people. A lot of people might not even know I make these videos, but they might get joy out of them, but they might have never known I was making these videos. So y'all help me out, I'll help y'all out. I give y'all some content, y'all help me get these subs. But other than that, we're about to finally enter the highway. Oh man, I'm supposed to be at this dealership at 10:30. It is 10:18, and I really don't know how far the dealership is from my house. So I guess we're about to find out. Cause I don't know. Oh yeah, let me just go ahead and quickly. Just let me get on through real quick. Let me go over here. Cars feel smooth today. I can't wait till they fix. I think it's my differential that's messed up, so I can't wait till they fix this. I want to see if it rides any different, but so far though, I have no issues. This car has not given me any trouble. Oh come on, I see brake lights. Y'all gotta chill. I gotta chill. Oh man. For people who keep asking about the LED lights, I will be making a video soon about all the like cosmetic stuff I'm gonna get done to this car and where some of the stuff is coming from. So y'all just stay tuned for that. I did not forget about it. Y'all just stay tuned. It's been real busy for me lately, but I'm gonna get that out for y'all as soon as possible. Come on now. Come on now. What are we doing? What are we doing? Let me just put this shit back in regular, cause what the fuck? Oh man. So stupid. Can you guys get out of my way, please? I just want to go to the dealership and see if they have the M5. Please, move. Oh yeah. We through there. Hit a little pull. Quick 120. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Dang. Oh, what is that? Nah, I don't like that. I think I know what that is. Wait, I might not. I don't know what BMW that is up ahead. I really have no clue. Oh man. Oh, it's a 230. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. Let me see. Let me see. Oh man. Okay, y'all, we are currently almost to the dealership. That wasn't too long of a drive. It's actually way faster than I thought. Yeah, I'm not really fucking with that light. I'm really not. I'ma just go ahead and get on through, bit out. But as y'all can see, it's light traffic. I mean, it looks kind of heavy, but it's really light traffic. Nothing too crazy, bati. God damn, y'all see we got Chicken Stein right there. Gotta love Chick-fil-A, yo. It's my junk. Just so y'all know, on this channel, we will have so many POVs to Chick-fil-A just because I go to Chick-fil-A about 2-3 times a week. I have a problem, so if y'all see me spamming Chick-fil-A POVs, that's why. And if y'all start seeing it, just comment down below. Cut out the Chick-fil-A or we're unsubscribing. That'll motivate me to cut out Chick-fil-A. Ah, man. Yeah, let me get in front of you because you're hitting the brakes. Fuck no. I'm not a fan. You hitting the brakes, you got this big ass gap in front of you. It's crazy to me. Like, come on, bro. Alright, I think the dealership up here on the right. Cause I've been here before, but I just don't know how far it was from the house. Yeah, it's down here. I see it. Let's see if they got an M5 before I even drop the car off, cause we got 5 minutes. It might be on the showroom floor, honestly. Let's see, what do they have out here today? I see a whole bunch of mid cars that nobody wants. Yeah, I don't. Oh, they got an M850 down there. That's hard. I like those. But I don't see nothing like worth me wanting to get though. I could have sworn they said they had an M5. Maybe they did. Maybe it sold already. Let's see. Oh wait, is this it? Is this the M5? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. But this 850 is clean. I like it. That 850 is clean. I like the color on it. I don't really see too much in this lot though. Or is this the... Oh, they got an M550 up here. I thought they had an actual M5 though. Lame. And then an M340. Nothing crazy up here, y'all. Just another average day at BMW. There's some Karen looking lady staring at me, man. But I just made it to the dealership, so I will pick you guys up when we get into the loaner vehicle. All right, so now we're in the loaner car. I didn't even check to see what it was for real. I just kind of got in it and was like, fuck it, let's go. Cause I got stuff to do today. But this car's pretty smooth. I like it so far. Doesn't seem like ass. The last rental car they gave me, oh, I said rental car, loaner car, it was kind of jumpy though. I don't like that. The last car I had was like this too. The brakes was real like jumpy. I'm not a fan of that. But it's smooth. The steering wheel is cool. It's cool as hell. I mean, I prefer my steering wheel though, but this is cool. I just like having just a flat bottom. I don't like flat bottom and flat top. This is not my preference. But let's get on out of here. Whew. Ugh, it doesn't burble. Yeah. I like the Scam 2025 burbles. Cause yeah, but it is cool though. I'm gonna definitely give y'all a little walk around once I get to where I am going. But this is gonna be the new daily for the next couple of, oh my god, I can't see shit. There we go. It's gonna be the new daily for the next couple of days. So, hey man, your boy Sweat may not, well, really, I don't know how long they're gonna have my car, so we'll just see. But your boy Sweat will definitely not be posting too many videos in his car, just cause like it's not really what I'm used to. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get through this red light. All right, so this car is pretty smooth, y'all. It's nothing really different from the 340. It's smooth. You know, the steering wheel's nice. It's real clean. It's kind of boring with the black on black, because the exterior of the car is black, interior is black. It's kind of boring, but hey, what can you do? It's a loaner car. But hopefully the M340 comes back today or tomorrow. I don't think it, oh damn, Rock's hitting my shit already. Shit, chill. I'm not trying to pay for no new windshield on a car that ain't even mine. But hopefully the M340 is done this week. I don't think this should take longer than into the weekend. Basically, today is Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday. So I feel like the car should be done by the latest Thursday or Friday morning. So we will see. But right now I am headed to, boy, these windows on this car is fucked. I can't see shit. Hey, big dog, can you make the turn, big dog? Goddamn. Well, I'm sick of you, twin. This big ass truck. This car kind of like, I don't know, the difference in these compared to My 340, like the two loaner cars I've had now, between this one and I think I had a 240i, but they sound like, I don't know how to explain it, but they don't sound right. Like, they don't sound like V6s. They sound weird as hell. They sound like messed up V8s. There you go. Like, it sounds like an engine that's been beat up. That's basically what it sounds like. Yeah, Jay Sweat, he in that tank, yo. Stop playing with him. Hey, get the fuck out the way, pussy. Drive slow on your own time. I'm not trying to be part of that. Mercedes K. We BMW only around this bad boy. Oh man. But yeah. Hey, matter of fact, y'all let me know. Since we have the loaner car, is it easier for y'all to see through the windows? Cause on my car, I have dark ass tint. And of course, these loaner cars have no tint at all. So y'all let me know if the visuals are better for y'all. If so, I may consider lowering the tint on my car just for video purposes. But if it's cool with y'all, it's cool with me, and I'm gonna keep that shit dark as I got it. I might go a little darker though. But y'all just comment down, let me know, you know what I'm saying? And if you are new to this channel and you haven't seen my M340, or if you skip through the video and you just skip the part where I drove to the dealership, I want you to go back or go to another video and you let me know if the windshield is too dark, if the window is too dark, all of that. But yeah, man, your boy Sweat is out here getting that work done to the 340. We do have mods coming for it soon. Other than that, I'm gonna throw in a little montage of this loaner car for y'all, just to do something a little different. Like, you know, I don't want to have the same content all the time, but just to do something a little different.
Custom on the beat. Damn, David.
But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's your boy Sweat. I love everybody who supports me, and you know, I'm trying to keep up the great work, you know, do all this because I know I could make this one big thing, you know, in the future. So as long as y'all keep supporting me, I'll keep putting out as much content as I can. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's your boy Sweat, and I'm out.